Hey guys, it's John Broussard. Hope everybody's having a good day. You looking to find an easy way to restore your headlights that actually work? There's a lot of gimmicks out there. I've seen them all. I say seen them all, but enough of them. With headlights restoring them to actually work or not, and this and that. So a lot of that crap's junk. The headlights are going to get resistant sun damage, and it's plastic and all that or whatever. And you've got to remove that faded. These headlights get hot in here too, and so you've got to remove a layer of that ash in here, that plastic in here. Rubbing compounds are pretty easy stuff to use. I'm going to show you how I do mine. Now this headlight, hopefully you can see, I'm in the shade a little bit. Park your vehicle in the shade so you're not having heat and all that. Because when you do this, you need to make sure this don't get hot and stuff. I've tried other stuff before. I'll show you another one that I've used that actually works pretty good too. But you can see the glare or the UV damage and all that, and through here and all. But it's bigger than what it is, what you can see. This one I've done. Usually if I do my headlights, I'll go down there and do those too, my fog lights, while I'm up there. This one has been done. I don't know if you can see how clean it is. And it didn't take long to do, guys. Turned out nice and shiny. And there's some UV spray you can actually spray on here. It's kind of hard to find. You probably find it on Amazon. That one was finished. This one's not. And you can get a little longer protection. I need to get some, but I just do it about every year and a half. And we're about to take a trip. And so I want to be able to see good and all that, make sure. Now this is what I use. Is you can find one of these at AutoZone and stuff. It's just a foam ball, and you take the rubbing compound and you just put it on this ball, and then you're going to sponge it on there. And then you can run second gear, first gear on your drill, depending on how fast it is, and go back and forth. But you clean your headlights first. Clean them down with some soap and water and a little scrub brush or scrub pad. Get everything off good and clean, and then start applying your compound on there, and just go back and forth. You'll see some of the yellow come off and stuff. Then you go back and rinse some of it off. If you see any more on there, put some more compound on there and go back and forth. And then once I rinse all that off, then I'll go to the polishing compound, which is here. And this stuff will last, man. That one bottle will last you forever. But you can do other parts of your rubbing compound. Don't forget, folks, rubbing compound works good on your vehicle. Man, it'll take scratches out and all, some scratches, or it'll clean your mirrors real good and all that, bugs and stuff like that. It'll take all that up, take it off. I do my fog lights while I'm here. Now, if other people has questioned before, I'm using this right here just to use something to rinse my headlights off. You can use a water hose or whatever. I have used Mothers before. This 2 or 3 times I've used Mothers in the past. Mothers is a good product. This kit's about $20. It comes with all the polishing stuff. I'm not gonna get all into it super, but it's got sandpaper grits in there to restore the headlights. Take your time. You get better each time you do it. It ain't gonna be perfect first time, but I'll show you some of the steps how I do it. First, I'm gonna put my compound on here. I applied my compound to here, and I've already just took it and botched it up, all up real good. And then I've got it in number 2, my RPMs. If you want to go slow, it is fine. If it starts burning paint up and stuff or headlights, and you got something that's too fast. See, that's wide open for me. You just go back and forth. it's taking that clean surface off, just like polishing. You know, these chemicals they got that tell you to do this and do that, they got them at Walmart, they got them all that other junk. You've got to remove the surface, the outside of the damaged surface, just like waxing a car, any of that. They're going to peel that clear coat off. And so I just go right on down, go, go, go. Go through here. So that's the idea. And then you'll wash it off and then look at it and then do it again as needed. Then when you've got everything scuffed up, then you'll put your polish on and do the same thing, start polishing it up. And it's pretty quick. What was that, a minute or two? All right, guys, I got my polishing compound on here now. And I done used my rubbing compound on there with the drill. Now I'm gonna polish it. And don't forget, guys, when you use rubbing compound or any of these compounds, make sure you shake everything up real good. When it sits on the shelf, like the rubbing compound, it's got a grit in there. And some of the products, they sink down to the bottom, so make sure you clean them real good, or shake them real well. Now let's put it on here, and we're gonna smudge it like that, just real quick, don't take long. Sit, boom. And then now we're gonna use a drill just like we used the other one. Then we're gonna go back and forth with it. All the way down. And then we'll do that process 2 times across or whatever until what you like. So anyway, I'm gonna get to it. It won't take me long. All right, guys, there it is. These are done, fog lights, the headlights. I'm done for the year and a half or whatever. When I started noticing I've done them probably about 5 times. My truck's a 2011. Got about 85, 90% brand new headlights. Still original. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you that way. Now, you can do your fog lights like I said a while ago. I'll go ahead and do those. Need to see good. Keep them babies looking good where you can be safe on the road. So I use the rubbing compound. Shake the bottles up, make sure, I forget that too sometimes, them steps, make sure everything's mixed up good. Then I come back with a rubbing compound and I apply everything on with this. Now, if you're gonna use Mother's, it's not a bad one, it's around 20 bucks. It comes with everything. This actually came with a kit. And that's where you can look at it. You can find these anywhere. They're just a little polishing. And then I'm gonna pull out what's in the Mother's deal. You can kind of see that. I guess you're gonna get a 2-for-1 today, huh? So this is what will come with the kit, with the Mother's kit. It'll come with this polishing for headlights. It'll come with these different grits. And it'll come with this tool, which I just use it. It comes with a Velcro tip that'll go into an impact or a drill. I'd rather use a drill because a drill's slower than an impact. It's faster. And the faster you go with this stuff, you're going to produce heat and you're going to burn stuff. So if you do rub it, I've rubbed some of the paint on accident. These will come with all different grits. And it'll come with this pad right up here too. So the higher the grits, the finer the grit. The lower the grip, the more aggressive it's going to get. But this will all come in. You'll follow the instructions. You'll pull this pad off. Do a hard scrub with this pad. If you got real messed up headlights, this is really what you want to go with at first, because this is going to be the most aggressive one. And anyway, I hope this helps, guys. And y'all have a good day.